hello, good day. Welcome to Diana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscriber, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Guys, today I'm going to make a mango smoothie, guys, and I want to share it with you. All right, guys, let's start, guys. Okay, guys, so you have two choices whether you use the fresh mango or the frozen one. This is the frozen one, and then I have the fresh one here, but I choose to use the frozen one. Okay, I have some lime juice here, I have some honey here, and then I have some coconut milk here. Okay, all right, guys, let's start.
Channel and stay tuned for more amazing content. God bless always. God.
So guys, we are pouring our honey. You don't have to put honey in yours, guys, but for me it is a must. Okay, so now we're gonna blend it out nice, guys, and smooth. All right, smoothie finished. Ready for this? Let's go, guys. You know smoothie tastes right. All right, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. Looks so rich, so good. Guys, tell me say more now run. My goodness, guys. Look at that. Guys, me know me have a ball. I guess you don't have to pick it at the end of them they are school. So you know me have a ball, guys. Me alone, look at this. I almost a two cup, guys. That look like 2 cup. Me alone. The kids are not here. Husband asleep, guys. So you know me have a ball. Alright, guys. So let's enjoy our mango smoothie now. I have to try this. Guys, me said something tastes right. My goodness. No, guy, man. I have to try this, man. Guys, I have to try it. One mango, a mango for $1.50. Is it $1.50 or $1.25? No more than that for a mango, guys. No more than that for a mango. I'll just buy up your nice honey, guys. You can get a honey for about $5. And you know, so this I can serve it for a long time. Because one time I use it. You understand? And if you like whipped cream like me, I whipped cream for about $2 or $2.50, depends on the size. You understand? And you buy up your nice coconut milk. You know, coconut milk you can use it more than one time. 150, 125. Come on, guys. Come on. Treat yourself, guys. Come on. This is so rich, so nice. Guys, your home ain't gonna work. I use this. When I say, guys, I use this. You make your own smoothie. I say, I use this, guys. It tastes right. I say, hurry up and make it. Hurry up, guys, and make it like it tastes right. It tastes good. May I tell you, guys, you can sit down right on the table and you can enjoy this, guys. Me alone. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Guys, if you watch the video and you like, please consider to support my channel by giving any amount, guys. I appreciate it. I bless God for you, guys. The link is down below. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.